It's good on you. Find you a color that works for you and rock with that color. All right? Rock with that color, rock it all the way up. But going to the original part of it, no disrespect to anyone.
Uh-oh.
I'm not a skinny jeans fan. It doesn't make sense to me. Doesn't make sense to me to buy jeans that are already on you like stirrups. I don't even know if y'all know what stirrups are. Before y'all time. You got jeans that feel like stirrups, but then you sag. It makes no sense, but that's just to me. Okay? So make sure your dress is professional. Make sure it's trendy. Make sure it's classy at all times. About you. You can walk out of here right now and don't have, as my grandmother would say, a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out. You can have absolutely nothing. But if you look like somebody, you'll be surprised. Point in case, there was absolutely nothing. But I dressed the part. If you would have seen me getting out of my 1993 Honda Accord that never even made it to a half a tank of gas, you would think I had something going on. I had a gentleman ask me my opinion about something that's major that happened in this city. Okay, I looked the part. All right. Also, you want to stand out. All right. If you think about it, let's think about back in the day when you think of gangsters. You think of your Al Capones. You think of your Lucky Lucianos. And I don't know if y'all even know who these guys are, but please do your research on them. The Bugsy Siegels. They dress the part. They dress like gentlemen. Okay? The way you carry yourself speaks volume.